Welcome to this lesson on molecular formulas. A molecular formula is a fundamental concept in chemistry that tells us the exact composition of molecules. Today, you'll learn how to read and understand these formulas, which show the actual number of atoms present in any molecule. A molecular formula is a chemical formula that shows the exact number of each type of atom present in one molecule of a compound. Think of it as a recipe that tells you precisely what ingredients make up a molecule. It represents the true composition of a molecule, giving you complete information about what elements are present and how many atoms of each element exist. Let's start with a simple example that everyone knows: water. The molecular formula for water is H₂O. This tells us that one molecule of water contains exactly 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The small number 2 written below the H is called a subscript, and it indicates how many hydrogen atoms are present. Here are 2 more common examples. Carbon dioxide has the formula CO2, which means 1 carbon atom bonded to 2 oxygen atoms. Ammonia has the formula NH3, containing 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Notice how the subscript numbers tell you the exact count of each type of atom in the molecule. Now let's look at more complex molecules. Glucose, a sugar molecule, has the formula C₆H₁₂O₆. This means it contains 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Methane, the main component of natural gas, has the formula CH4, with 1 carbon atom bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. Even complex molecules follow the same simple rules for reading formulas. There are 2 key rules for reading molecular formulas. First, subscript numbers indicate how many atoms of that element are present. Second, when there is no subscript after an element symbol, it means there is exactly 1 atom of that element. For example, in H₂O, the H has a subscript of 2, but the O has no subscript, meaning there is 1 oxygen atom. You can count the total number of atoms in a molecule by adding up all the subscripts. Let's compare ethanol, which has the formula C₂H₆O, and acetic acid, which has the formula C₂H₄O₂. Ethanol contains 2 + 6 + 1, which equals 9 atoms total. Acetic acid contains 2 + 4 + 2, which equals 8 atoms total. Different molecules can have different numbers of total atoms. Let's review the key points. Molecular formulas show exact atom counts in a molecule, giving you precise information about its composition. Subscripts tell you how many atoms of each element are present. And remember, every molecule has a unique molecular formula that distinguishes it from all other molecules. Understanding molecular formulas is essential for studying chemistry and understanding the world around you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.